Good morning friends, here I am going to show you the fundamental analysis of Divya Shakti Granite Limited. Okay, so let's see the site of the company here. You can see that Divya Shakti Granite is providing the tiles and granite information and maybe things to the different constructions, houses and hotels. Okay, you can see that exotic granite is rare color schemes pattern complement the architectural space, blurring the lines between the art and design. Divya Shakti Granite has been at forefront of bringing natural stones to life with the technology and craft, and be it an edge finish kitchen countertop or glossary Iceland kitchen. Very good company. Okay, our product quality is underlying strength of Divya Shakti Granite, reputation, competitiveness. Okay, you can see the different product. For example, what are the product you can see here? So you can see that absolute cream color, African ivory color, Amazon river color, Baltic brown color. So there are different product companies having sustainability about. You can read, and you can read more deeper detail about the company. So let's see the fundamental of this company. So Divya Shakti Granite Limited is India's best exporter of the granite product. The company is engaged in the manufacturing and export of the polished granite slabs, tiles and monuments. Market cap is 67 crore only. Micro cap company. Price is 65, just 65 rupees. High is 93, low is 94. Stock P 9.14, very low P. Book value 113. And current price is 65, means the company's price is trading below their book value. Dividend yield 2.3, return on capital 7.7, return on equity 5.7, face value 10. Okay, PEG ratio is -1. Okay, equity capital, you can see equity capital just 3.10.3. Current ratio is 6.05. It means that the company's current asset is 6 times of their liabilities. Price to book value 0.58, as mentioned by the book value is greater than their current price. Growth factor is 3, Piotrowski is 7. Okay, market quoted investment nothing. Return on asset for 5 year 5.64. Ultimate score is 4.9. It is very good sign. The company is having very good balance sheet and good asset and liabilities. Difference in IV is showing that the 1193 means that the company's price is lower than their expected market value. And you can also see that the number of shares is 1.03. Okay, and before 10 year ago the number of share was 1.04. It means that company is reducing their equity capital, which is very positive sign. EPS for latest quarter is 0.75. EPS for 1 year is 7.1. 10 year sales variation is 4.91, but profit 10 years 0.148. You can see the long term chart of this company here. See, long term chart is showing the in 2020 company's price was falling to till 20 rupees. Now it is coming to 60, more than 64, just 3 times from their 2020 value. March 20, which is growing now, and it is sure that the company can cross 100 rupees in the near term if you hold for long term. Always check your advisor. What are the pros? Companies have reduced their debt. Company almost debt free. Stock trading 0.5 times of book value. Company expected to give good quarter, maintaining healthy dividend payout. What are the cons? Company has delivered the poor sales growth for minus 3.59. Companies has low return on equity. Companies has high debtor or days of 5 days. What the company is doing? The company is doing the same business done by the CAM services. Okay, and different plywood and century plywood companies. Now you can see that the company's sales was growing since last few years. In December 2018 the sales was 7 crore, now it is 17 crore. Operating profit margin is also growing from minus to 10% to 21%, which is very good sign. Other income is slowly also growing. Earlier 19 lakhs, now it's 24 lakh, 1 crore. Okay, interest, you can see interest is also reducing by the company. Earlier 5 lakh interest, just 2 lakh interest. Okay, profit before tax is also improving from negative to now 1.43 crore to 3 crore. Okay, sales, you can see sales is also growing. Okay, sales is growing from 3.68 now. Earlier 10 years ago the sales was 29 crore, now it is showing 63 crore. Operating margin was 18%, now it is 15%. Still margin is not good, that's why the company's price is not moving though that much space. Interest is also reducing from 6 lakhs to 7 lakh, not reducing, almost same, 6 lakhs to 7 lakh. Okay, net profit is also growing, you can say 4 crore to 7 crore. So you can say almost the company's profit, everything is not growing, but return on equity for 5 years just 7%. And 7 equity capital, you can see that equity capital earlier you can see it's 10.23, now it's 10.27. But overall, if you talk about the since starting, the company's equity capital is reducing. Reserve, you can see also 27 crore to improving to 105 crore. Reserves is improving. Borrowing is very low, very less. Okay, you can see investment, company not having investment. If you see the other assets, the company's cash is having 23 crore cash. Trade receivable 70 crore company going to receive. Inventory is also 11 crore, which is very good. Company is maintaining good and nice cash flow. Debtor is also basically is in going to negative direction, 432 in 2020, now 445 in 2021. But it in the future, in the past, the company is maintaining 200 debtor days, and I think it is going to be improved. Inventory days also improving, 89 days. Trade receivable also improving, 28 day, 128. Cash conversion is also flat. Working capital is also flat. Return on capital employed 7.78. And in the past, company maintaining return on capital employed 23, and I think a good chance. And one of the positive sign here, you can see the promoter increasing their position. Earlier 67.5, then improving to 69.21 in September 20, and in September 21 is 73.34. Promoter increasing their position. It means company promoter is having full faith on this company. So hope this particular analysis is helpful for you for your future decision on Divya Shakti Granite. Thank you. Have a nice day. Check with